LibreOffice versus Openoffice versus Onlyoffice. Which is better for the office? Looking for a free office suite but not sure which one to choose? Let's compare LibreOffice, Openoffice, and Onlyoffice. LibreOffice is the most popular open source suite. It's actively updated, works offline, and supports Microsoft Office formats fairly well. OpenOffice was once popular but updates earlier today. It struggles with modern file formats and is mostly used for legacy systems. OnlyOffice shines in collaboration. It has a modern interface, strong Microsoft compatibility, and real-time editing for Teams. So which is better? For offline work, choose LibreOffice. For teamwork and cloud collaboration, OnlyOffice is the winner. OpenOffice is no longer recommended. And that's it. Pick the suite that fits your office needs and save money without sacrificing productivity.